Hi everyone, it's Stampventures with Shauna. Welcome to my Tuesday tutorial at 8:02. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to be sharing some tips for the Notes of Kindness kit. Some ladies are going to be coming to my house this week to do this, and I thought I'd show some suggestions for how to put this gold cord in the background. But before I begin with that, I have to rescue a bow. I just see it fell off my card there. Okay, before I do that, I need to share my weather word of the day. And the weather word is undecided. It started out very, very cloudy this morning. And actually it was feeling like the breeze was kind of coming off a cold ocean or something. It's warmed up now, but it's still cloudy at times. And I really wish it would make the decision to rain. If it could only do that, that would help us out immensely. Some of us have been knowing that some of the trees have leaves that are turning yellow just because it's been so dry around here. So everybody just cross your fingers, say a little prayer for rain. We need some because I think it's going to get like several days in a row again of 30 degrees. That's Celsius for those of you who are living in the US. And we need some moisture here. So undecided for today, but I really wish it would make the decision and just rain and get it over with. And also today I've got funny for you. Managed to get myself together for that. Some of you have probably seen this. I've had problems with an automated telephone system while booking tickets for an Elvis tribute act. I had to, press 1 for the money, 2 for the show. Usually those automated telephone systems are way more annoying than just trying to get tickets for an Elvis tribute act. Just trying to speak with a real person can be quite a challenge on those things. Okay, so getting on to the cards. And just FYI, if you are like, I could easily have time to do a card class this week, I still have kits available. I'm just grabbing the kit over here in the box. I'll show you what it looks like. All your supplies will come in a package. And there's everything to make 20 cards. And it took me, no word of a lie, it took me approximately 20 minutes only to make these 4 cards. So when you multiply that by 5, and the fact that you're doing things in you probably do all one card at the same time, so it'll even go faster. This card class of 20 cards you could do in under 2 hours. So Wednesday night and Thursday morning is when I'm holding this class. And as a bonus, anybody who comes to do the class with me will receive a little tin bucket like this. Isn't this cute? It's got flowers on it. It's kind of an oval shape. And our cards for this kit fit in there perfectly, perfectly width-wise. Now, to actually fit all 20 cards and all 20 envelopes in this bucket would be too tight. So what you have to do is keep 4 or 8 of the cards for yourself, and then put the other, say 12 cards in the bucket. I will give you a cellophane bag and some pink ribbon, and you can tie it up and you'll have a beautiful gift for somebody. And it's only $35 to do all 25 cards. So I don't know, I didn't figure out the math on that, but that's like less than $2 a card. Is it something like $1.75? So that's pretty good. And they're super easy to do. I think I was going to tell you something else about the kit. Oh, okay, I know what I'll show you. Cute lined envelopes. Every card has an envelope with a striped liner. And then most of the elements on this card are pre-printed. There is a little bit of stamping, and a lot of the elements are stickers, so you don't even need to do a lot of gluing, just a little bit, say for like this cord that I'm going to show you about here. So I'm going to make you a sample of this card. You can see how quick it is and easy to put together, except I decided that when I have my class, I'm going to try and have a few other sayings besides just the words that are featured in this kit. You won't get the stamp set in your kit because you're getting the good deal of just the refill. You'll get everything you need to make them, but I paid for the more expensive kit so that I could get the stamp set. But I'm going to pull out other stamps as well. So we have a variety of sayings that we can put onto these, and I just pulled out Dandelion Wishes, which has this little saying, this little greeting, sending well wishes your way. And I just had heard today that somebody who has stamped with me in the past is in the hospital. So I thought, well, this is perfect. I will do up a quick card for her, and I think I'm going to see her daughter tonight. Yeah, right now. That's why I'm not live. I'm going to be at a multi-demonstrator garage sale at the hall on Brown Street. What is that address? Is it 916 Brown Street? Whatever the new Life Center is on the 900 block of Brown. We'll be there with 3 other demonstrators, and we'll have a multi-demonstrator garage sale. And if it's between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Tuesday night and you're in Moose Jaw, come on down and see us at the multi-demonstrator garage sale, because that's where I am right now and why my video is taped and not live. Is that what we call it? Taped? Recorded? I guess I should say recorded. Taped sounds like I'm back in the 80s or something like that. I'm just, I've never used this stamp before, so I'm trying to just make sure that I've got any factory dust, factory residue brushed off it. In fact, what I'll probably do is I'll stamp it first to kind of prime it, and I'm gonna just see how straight. Okay, I'm gonna try and line up the bottom of the rubber there with a line on my grid sheet just to see how straight that is. Oh, not bad. I'm thinking doesn't look like it's leaning too much one way or another, so I can line up that line there with the bottom of my piece from my card kit. And I don't know if you can see it in your camera angle, but there is, oh, there they are, some stitch lines around the edge. So yeah, kind of like our stitched framelits, but these ones are already punched for you in the kit. Okay, so breathe. Line it up sort of, hopefully straight. I hope I didn't wiggle too much. And this is just Memento black ink. All the stamping for this is, oh yay, sending well wishes your way. That worked out all right. Okay, so next thing on this card, all right, I need a base. And isn't this cute? Like the whole thing is colored on the outside and then it's white on the inside for writing. I was just going to show you this card base. It's kind of neat too because it wraps around, so there is a little bit of the design on the back. Okay, and then the next layer is a sticker. Look at that. Oh, my phone just told me that my battery is low. Hopefully you're still there. Okay, so yeah, handy dandy. Just feel it's like a great big sticker. And I'm going to put this, I don't know, it's like about a finger width down. I measure things in finger widths. That's kind of how my brain works when I do card making. Sometimes I'll get out a ruler too, but I have to be, you know, really wanting it to be straight if I get out the ruler. Okay, I'm hoping that is kind of straight. Well, you know what? There's going to be floral and foliage going across there, so that's okay. If it's not, if it's a little bit off, the floral is just going to dazzle everybody. So this is the next piece. Again, it's all pre-printed, and I just had to punch it out. Came on a sheet, and I'm going to put the copper, well, I don't know, it's twine, it's not thread. What did I call it? Cord? I think it's copper cord on the back of this. And I had such a struggle trying to find the end of this copper cord. Look at the mess that I made. So I just pulled it out and I cut it in the middle and started somewhere. I don't know where. Anyways, I'm going to cut about 15 inches or so of this and get rid of the rest of that. And I'm going to take my mono adhesive. I guess I shouldn't call it that. Why am I calling it mono adhesive? It hasn't been mono adhesive for years. Oh boy, that was a Okay, it's snail in the new world. in the new century, it is snail adhesive here for us stampers. And so I'm going to start and make maybe a small-ish loop. I don't know, is that small? Maybe that's kind of big. And then I'm going to make another loop, and maybe this has been an even smaller loop. Okay, so using the copper cord, just making loops. Okay, and I'm making a loop here, and you know what, this one's not even going to be a loop, it's just going to be a little piece that sticks out, because I saw in their pictures that you get with your instructions, yeah, they actually made it so that you can just have a little end piece sticking out. It doesn't have to be a perfect loop every time. I'm starting to let go of little things like that. With therapy, I have done that. Okay, oh, all right. Now, here's the next. I'm just going to turn it over and see, yeah, oh, those loops look pretty nice. They're just kind of, yeah, showing here and there. Next thing I'm going to do is, in your kit, you'll get a whole sheet of dimensional adhesives, and I'm going to just put those dimensional adhesives in various spots on top of the cord, because I'm just reinforcing the snail adhesive, just kind of giving an extra backup. I just want to make sure that that cord is not going to go anywhere. So I'm not doing this in any really special way, just covering up the cord and making sure that it is going to hold tight. So I think it's probably more than holding tight now. I tend to go overboard on these things, but I don't like it when my cards fall apart. So I'll just get the backings off of these. Remember, if it's between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Tuesday night, come on down to the New Life Center, which is in the 900 block of Brown Street, and check out our garage sale. Okay, which way do I want to go? I'll do it this way because I think that's how they show it on the picture. I think they have these more berries at the top. Not that it probably really matters. Okay, so, and I don't want I'm trying to make it so that my foliage doesn't hang off the edge of the card, because if the foliage hangs off, then it will probably get bent when it gets put into the envelope. There we go. All right, so maybe I should have moved my pink banner down a little, but it'll be okay. All right, so then I'm just going to put a couple more dimensionals on the back of my greeting. And so this is going to be like doubly popped up, but I thought it was just easiest this way to use the dimensionals, and yeah, getting everything stuck really well. Okay, and where do I want this? I might move it up just a bit, something like that. There we go. All right, so there, that's it. That's the only other thing is some of the cards have, I'll show you this one here, they have pearls, so you can go back, and the pearls are included in your kit too, and whatever's left of the kit you get to take home. So done like dinner, so easy. It's beautiful kit, and you have 20 cards in no time. Let me know if you can come tomorrow night, because I only have 8 kits left right now. So that's Wednesday night at 7 o'clock or Thursday afternoon at 1, and I will save a kit for you if you can make it, and you will be going home with 20 cards completely made. I guarantee it, and you'll be happy with them too. So there, I've got my my Get Well card. I'm thinking of Maria, hope that she's doing all right. Gonna send this out to her, and I will be back another day for sure. Well, you know, I was gonna say maybe not for sure next Tuesday. Yes, for sure next Tuesday, because next Tuesday is the first Tuesday of the month, and I will have a mystery card for you. So I hope you can stop in again next week at 8:02 on Tuesday, and I'll talk to you then. Bye for now.